We left it. Betty.
Betty. Come here.
Do you need a nurse? Are you alright?
I need you to do something for me.
What?
Take care of Daniel. I'll be here.
No, Mr. Mead. You're gonna be fine.
I remember seeing you walk into the building that first day. I had a feeling about you. You're the only one who's ever been able to keep Daniel on his path. He'd be lost without you. Oh, I need some water.
Mr. Mead. Mr. Mead.